babies.
Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? I hope you are doing great. If you are new, my name is Lizzy. You are welcome to my channel. Please, before you leave, don't forget to hit that subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. So today I'll be showing you how I achieved this beautiful style on my daughter hair. So her hair is natural hair 4C. What I do, and the cream I'm using extra veggie hair fertilizer cream. The cream is really good for skull and for natural hair too. So I will just section the part that I'm going to be corrosing, then the rest part I will just pack the rest part in case if I'm braiding the other side it will not be added together. Then the big section I section out before, then I will divide it into two places again. The way I will be corrosing it, I will corrose this side up, then I will corrose this side down. Then the corros will be clapping like that. I will still apply the extra veggie hair fertilizer. I will still apply for her skull. I repeat this process, and after braiding this the one that I'm just parting now, I will just braid a little bit for the middle part, like for the center part that would divide the clapping into two places. So I will just leave you to watch the video. And the extension I use, I didn't even finish one pack of extension, and I cut the extension into two places. Yeah, I cut the extension into two places. I didn't even finish it because it didn't take a lot of extension and she have a lot of hair before. So I will leave you guys to finish the rest video. Please don't forget to hit that subscribe down below. Turn on your notification. Anytime I upload a video, you will be notified. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed and stay safe. Bye. Love you guys.
Stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. Makeup every day, and I love your natural baby that way. Beauty in the world is your smile. Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on high heels. You look good when you don't even try. Real, because you don't have to change. Cause baby, I love it's natural. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break from your favorite stilettos, you're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be. You and me, so no now. Don't have to put on makeup every day, and I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love it's natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change. Cause baby, I love my beautiful baby. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful. I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild and your feet take a break baby, our love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are. You don't have to change, cause baby, our love is natural. Today I saw you, almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your pretty smile. Our love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no, now you don't have to put on makeup every day. Baby, I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, I love is natural. Baby, you don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. That's for real. Perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Baby, our love is natural. And even if you let your hair go wild, you can take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. That's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no lie. And even if you let your hair go wild on your feet, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now, you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling. Cause baby, our love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, our love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Cause baby, our love. Today I saw you all stressed out. You couldn't even leave the house. All of this pressure you put on yourself. I think you're beautiful, I don't want nobody else. And even if you let your hair go wild on your feet, take a break from your favorite stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl, hands down. And that's how it's gonna be, you and me. So no now, you don't have to put on makeup every day. And I love your natural hair that way. Pretty in the world is your smiling face. Cause baby, our love is natural. You don't have to put on red high heels. You look good when you don't even try. For real, perfect as you are, you don't have to change. Cause baby, our love is natural. Today I saw you, almost want to cry. You couldn't see the natural things that I love about you, like your stilettos. You're naturally my favorite girl. You're naturally my favorite. And that's how it's gonna be. You and me. So